Question 2b. Find the first derivative with respect to x of inverse cos of 3x squared. The following are the marking guidelines for question 2b. For 1 mark, we have displays understanding of chain rule, or the first derivative with respect to x of inverse cos of x is equal to -1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And for 2 marks, we have correct solution. We're going to apply the chain rule since y equals inverse cos of 3x squared is a composite function, or in other words, a function of a function. Now, the derivative of the inverse cos of f of x by the chain rule is equal to the derivative of the outer function, so that's the inverse cos function, multiplied by the derivative of the inner function, which is the f of x. So the first derivative with respect to x of inverse cos of f of x is equal to negative f dash of x over the square root of 1 minus f of x all squared. Now f of x is equal to 3x squared, f dash of x is equal to 6x, which is the first derivative of 3x squared, and f of x all squared is equal to the square of 3x squared, which is 9x to the power of 4. So putting that all together, we have dy dx is equal to negative 6x over the square root of 1 minus 9x to the power of 4. The following is the feedback from the marking center for question 2b. Most candidates either knew the derivative of inverse cos of x or applied the chain rule, but many were not able to put both together. Errors included forgetting to multiply by 6x, omitting the negative sign, errors in squaring 3x squared, trying to use the product rule, and thinking that inverse cos of x is equal to cos of x to the power of -1.